Where is the WPS button on T-Mobile router? Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you where to find the WPS button on your T-Mobile router and what to do if your model doesn't have one. I'll show you where to find it if it exists and the best way to connect if it doesn't. Here's what you need to do. Method 1. Check the back or side of the T-Mobile router. Start by looking along the back or sides of your T-Mobile router. If your model supports WPS, the button will be labeled WPS or show a small 2-arrow icon forming a circle. Press it for about 3 to 5 seconds to activate WPS pairing mode. Method 2. Use the T-Mobile Internet app for newer models. Now, if you don't see any WPS button, your router likely uses app-based pairing instead. Open the T-Mobile Internet app, tap your connected gateway, and go to Wi-Fi settings. From there, you can add a device manually or use the QR code option to connect. It works just like WPS, but through the app instead of a button. Method 3. Connect manually without WPS. If your device doesn't support app pairing, just connect manually. Open your Wi-Fi settings, select your T-Mobile network name, SSID, and enter the password printed on the gateway label. This method is just as secure and more reliable than WPS. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find the WPS button or the right way to connect without it on your T-Mobile router. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.